Part 2, amend the program so that it displays 2 lines of output as follows. First line will display the word password, followed by the password that was entered by the user, and the second line will display the word score, followed by the calculated score for the program. So currently we've something similar to that. I mean, if we run it, we're going to get let's put in sunshine there, and we get out the score. So we need to amend that a little, and I suppose one of the first things we need to do is change that to score, and we're going to put in a space when we use the comma. Of course, we could also do it like this and put in a thing and put in a string. So just be aware of that. You could just as easily do that, and sometimes if you don't want spaces. So let's test that. Right, nice, that's the score sorted. But we do need to put in something before that, so we need to put in, I think it's, let's see here, show what the password is. So we need to put in display password. And so to do that, to display our password, we're going to go print password, and we're going to have a password, I think it is, coming in here. So let's just make sure we get a password. At the top we get a password from the user stored in the variable password. So, and that should be part 2 sorted. But as always, make sure you save your program. I'm continually saving as I'm going along, Control and S. And I'm going to run it now. So actually I'll just clear my shell there, run it, and let's go with the test one we've got. So small sunshine, and we should get out both of those outputs. So password sunshine, score 6, super.